Hi, I'm Josh.
I'm Sarah.
We're here to talk to you about a very special event coming up to commemorate the witch trials in Connecticut.
This free event is called Remembering the Innocent Victims of the Connecticut Witch Trials. It's on February 1st, 2025.
The event will take place from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. at Connecticut's Old State House at 800 Main Street, Hartford, Connecticut 06103.
Visit ConnecticutWitchTrials.org to learn more and scan the QR code to get your free ticket through Eventbrite.
This fabulous event is going to start off with a dramatic reading of the play The Last Night by Connecticut actresses Deborah J. Walsh and Ginny Wolfe.
Followed by an expert panel featuring Representative Jane Garibay, Senator Saud Anwar, historian Richard S. Ross III, author Beth Caruso, advocate Tony Grigo, and advocate Mary Bingham.
That will be followed by a special word from Dr. Catherine Hermes about the resolution that exonerated those accused of witchcraft in colonial Connecticut, which was passed in 2023.
And the event will conclude with a remembrance ceremony to recognize all the victims of the Connecticut witch trials by name and honor their legacy.
And by the way, the MCs will be me and Sarah from Witch Hunt Podcast.
Oh, yeah. So join us February 1st, that's Saturday, for remembering the innocent victims of the Connecticut witch trials from 1 to 3 p.m. at Connecticut's Old State House. See you there.
See ya.